Welcome to our channel, where we bring you daily, high-quality videos that provide valuable insights into various products. If you're in search of the best touchscreen monitors, you're in the right place. Our videos are designed to help you make informed decisions. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to stay updated with our latest content. Let's dive in and discover the top touchscreen monitors together. Number 1. Dell P2418HT. With so many options on the market, our choice of the best touchscreen monitors comes down to the details. And detail is something that Dell's P2418HT monitor does brilliantly. This 1080p monitor on a 23.8-inch panel boasts an LCD screen to deliver excellent resolution, contrast, and color. Moreover, it boasts an anti-glare surface that works beautifully in distracting light conditions, as well as ultra-thin bezels that give it a stylish flair and more screen real estate. However, it's its ingenious articulating stand that stands out here. Dell is no stranger to brilliant stands. Its Dell C1422H has one of the best stands we've ever seen on a portable monitor, for example, and we're seeing that again here. This one allows you to extend, swivel, and orient the display up to 60 degrees downwards, giving you versatility and excellent workplace ergonomics. You can go from using it as a regular monitor to sketching on it in mere seconds. This may be slightly more expensive than some of the other touchscreen monitors on this list, but it offers excellent value for money. Number 2. Asus ProArt Display PA148CTV. While creative professionals usually go for larger screens, there's definitely a place for portable monitors in content creation. Nomadic users in particular can benefit from a portable monitor that's designed specifically with video editors, designers, and music producers in mind. The ProArt Display PA148CTV is something of a rarity in the sea of portable monitors, with its robust set of features targeted towards creatives. They include the Asus Dial, a physical dial that you can use to make effortless adjustments to your project, whether you're in Lightroom, Premiere Pro, or Photoshop. There's also the virtual control panel function, which allows you to use the display itself as your touchscreen control panel, simplifying your workflow. This being a touchscreen monitor for creatives, you get impeccable color coverage, 100% sRGB and 100% Rec.709, excellent color accuracy of delta E less than 2 out of the box, and Kalman verification. There are a lot more features too, all packed into an incredibly compact 14 inches form. If you're looking to expand your screen real estate when traveling or out in the field, this is the best choice there is. Number 3. ViewSonic DD2230. The ViewSonic DD2230 is small, light and portable touchscreen monitor, making it perfect for anyone with limited desk space and or who needs to travel with their screen. The 22 inches, Full HD, IPS display offers beautifully sharp image quality and high visual accuracy. The screen is also scratch-proof, and the bookstand design allows it to be tilted and adjusted from 20 to 70 degrees, or rested flat. The connection ports are all on the side of the monitor, offering easy access. You get HDMI, DisplayPort and VGA and USB connectivity. The monitor offers low power consumption, great for both your pocket and the planet. The colors are a little dull, but overall this is an excellent buy for anyone looking for a portable touchscreen monitor. Number 4. Dell P2219H. Looking for a cheap touchscreen monitor from a reputable brand? The 21.5 inches Dell P2219H IPS monitor is available at a brilliant price, and it still does an impressive job, making it one of the best touchscreen monitors available for those on a tighter budget. The stand is nicely adjustable, and the ultra-thin bezels provide for a sleek look. With up to 250 nits of brightness, 178-degree viewing angles, and full HD resolution, the screen is a great performer, although the colors aren't quite accurate enough for professional photo editing or design work. It uses tech that reduces harmful blue light emissions, making it easier on your eyes during long work sessions. It features a 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution, a 1000:1 static contrast ratio, a 250 CD per square meter brightness rating, and support for up to 16.7 million colors. With these combined, the P2219H can offer crisp, clear details as well as consistent, rich colors. Number 5. ViewSonic DD2230. The ViewSonic DD2230 is small, light and portable touchscreen monitor, making it perfect for anyone with limited desk space and or who needs to travel with their screen. The 22 inches, Full HD, IPS display offers beautifully sharp image quality and high visual accuracy. The screen is also scratch-proof, and the bookstand design allows it to be tilted and adjusted from 20 to 70 degrees, or rested flat. The connection ports are all on the side of the monitor, offering easy access. You get HDMI, DisplayPort and VGA and USB connectivity. The monitor offers low power consumption, great for both your pocket and the planet. The colors are a little dull, but overall this is an excellent buy for anyone looking for a portable touchscreen monitor. Future-proof connectivity options include HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB 3.0, while VGA is also available for legacy systems. Cross-compatibility with a wide range of operating systems include Windows 10, and certain Android and Linux versions. ViewSonic's exclusive View Mode feature provides intuitive presets for optimized screen performance in different applications.